Face this side now.
What do you want? Che cosa vuoi da me?
Ti voglio spiegarlo.
Spiegare cosa?
Spiegarlo. Giusto?
No. Può esserlo. Vuol dire che sta parlando di qualcuno particolare.
Hey, Oga, calm down. Calm down. I'm not an Italian woman. Calm down.
Mi dica tutto.
How do I say it? I want to tell you to speak to them.
Spieghiamoci.
Hey! Himga such a spieghiamoci. Spieghiamoci.
Allora,
speak to them.
In quel momento, buongiorno a tutti.
Okay. Let me be interpreting it.
You have to introduce.
No, start.
Okay.
Let me try.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Good day all.
Friend, ho preso il tuo posto, no, io ho preso il tuo posto adesso. Gli amici italiani, africani, americani, Asian, Indian, tutto.
American, Asian, Indian, all of you.
Ok, in quel momento,
this moment,
io con mia moglie vogliamo preparare la colazione.
Me and my wife, okay, in my own case, me and my husband, we want to prepare breakfast.
Ok, in quel momento,
this moment,
vi preghiamo.
Vi
preghiamo.
Sì.
Okay, vai.
We beg you.
Ok. Ascoltaci,
listen to us,
e vedi come andrà.
And watch how it will go.
Infatti,
hey, baby uncle, I can speak Italian. I hear very well though. I hear very well, but to speak is wahala. So guys, in today's video we want to make breakfast, and I decided to carry you guys along to show you how we do it in the kitchen. Not all the time. Some days we just, we are in the mood today, like to prepare this breakfast together. The kids have already had their own breakfast, so we are going to take our time to prepare this one. It's a special one for both of us. Yesterday was Father's Day, and we were in church. We didn't have time when we came back to celebrate it and all of that. Though we celebrated it in a little way yesterday, but this morning we want to prepare breakfast like together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't go away, stick around and see how it goes. We'll prepare and eat it together on camera, okay? So stay around, stay tuned, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's cominciamo. Let's continue, let's start. So where do we start from? So this is our plantains, our ripe plantain. I already washed them, so we are going to peel and slice them. Then we'll start frying. Basically we are frying plantain, we are going to be frying some eggs, we are going to be making custard. This is what we want to have. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to peel and slice this now. Hubby is going to be preparing the eggs for frying. Yeah, the one thing so it's very important to always wash your plantains before peeling them, because you don't know where they came from. So in order to avoid introducing dirt to the actual plantain inside, you need to wash the back. I always say this whenever I'm making plantain recipes, so I believe you must have known that by now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
No, put all of them now. Oh, Jimo, Maopa Minicent. Oh, Jimo. Maybe them enter kitchen to them one. I was supposed to prepare this for him, or just prepare it all by myself, but I'm like, let's do it together. It will be more beautiful. Lantern, man, I like the plantain is beginning to get burnt, but it's still good. The thing is getting really right. So once you put it on fire, it will start burning. You don't take care of it.
Alright, now pour the remaining.
Oh, Mr. Chef, my chef. Così va bene? Ti piace così? Okay. He said like this is perfect for him. We are almost done, guys. We are almost done. My chef. Chef. My chef. Wow. Perfect. Perfect. So guys, we are done. Look at that egg. And this is the plantain. The plantain is really ripe, so once you put it in the oil it will start burning kind of. And one tip, whenever you are frying your plantain, make sure, after frying your plantain, make sure you put a paper towel on the plate before you put the plantain, so that the paper will soak up the excess oil. Okay, so we are about to enjoy all of this. So food is ready, and we still have more fried plantain, so in case if this one is not enough,
in case if you want to join,
in case if you want to join,
that one is for you.
So
right,
let's pray.
to pray. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
God bless you this morning for providing for us as we eat this breakfast. We eat the nourishment of our bodies and covered with the blood of Jesus.
Lord
we
of
come
Jesus.
against our eatables in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
And as you provide for us, provide also for them that have nothing to eat. Lord, in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yes.
Then,
First bite. It's too soft, but it's still sweet.
next time we look for a non-overripe plantain. One is
We even need knife. Is it not you that served the cutlery? He served the cutlery, he didn't put knife. Fake chef. The egg is perfectly fried. Wow. Now mix egg with the plantain. Go and make yours. This three combination is fire. Absolutely delicious. Are you enjoying it? To your eyes.
romantic pie.
Hi guys, this is the leftover. We are going to give the kids this one together with the remaining plantain. Okay, this one is for the kids, but they will eat it later, not now, because they've already had their breakfast. Ah, my Lord, thanks sir.
Thank God. Ringraziamo Dio.
Sì. Dio ha fatto bene per noi. Per noi.
Provvede.
Io naso un misto.
Non so come passa la pasta.
Okay guys, we've come to today's video.
Siamo arrivati all'infine del video.
We have come to the end of today's video.
Quindi,
Of this video.
esatto. La colazione è venuta bene. Abbiamo mangiato.
The breakfast went fine, went well. We have eaten.
Ora vogliamo chiudere il video.
Now we want to end the video.
ringraziarci
We thank you all
per guardarci.
for watching.
Poi a tempo vostri provate quello che abbiamo fatto. At your time, try what
I
you
think
did.
I didn't tell you to explain. I want you to speak it again.
Provate quello che avete veduto.
I can't explain this one, please.
Ok, quindi bisogna ancora imparare.
Explain
Ecco,
it.
ho detto, I said, at your own time, try what we did.
Okay, yes, it's true. Try this recipe. He's right. This man, you will not kill me.
Non c'è qualcos'altro da dire. È venuto bene, perfetto, bellissimo.
There's nothing else to say. Everything went fine, perfect, and okay.
E sotto i video
Under the video,
cerchi di
check.
darci un
Give us a thumbs up. Oh, he doesn't know what to say. That's the is the name.
No, ci date che ha la bocca.
Thumbs up, annullare, indice.
Ho problemi in questo momento.
Pollice, indice. Ho di con annullare. My lord, where is my phone? I'm coming. Thumb in Italian is pollice, pollice, pollice. That is thumb. Give us a polish up. It's not right. Which one is give us?
Bisogna dire.
Forget that part, please. Let's move on. Let's proceed. What else? Let's face the. Why are we facing
Non
each
c'è
other?
qualcos'altro da dire.
Okay, he said there's nothing else to say.
Beh, una prova abbiamo fatto, è venuto bene, quindi se fate voi vedrete come andrà.
Well, we just did hey, I know what to say, but I've forgotten the English. We just tried, right? Yeah, we just tried. So when you try yours, you see how it went, or you see how it turns out for you.
Quindi spero che andrà anche bene per voi.
We hope it goes well for you too. Hey!
Buona giornata.
This woman went to school. Oh. I went to school. Oh. Hey, Jesus! See, I can, like, I hear very well, but like I said, I hardly speak.
Ma
But
che cosa,
he's always there to
che
defend
cosa
me.
aspetti?
What do I expect?
What are you waiting for?
Oh, what am I waiting for? I don't know.
Ecco.
Ci vediamo dopo. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Buongiornata, buongiornata.
Ciao,
Ci
dammi un
vediamo
bacio,
prossima
un
volta.
bacino.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much